Hi there. So this is anniversary 9 of Strokes Day, or S Day as I like to call it. If you've read any of my short stories or Vipassana, A Journey Within, or any of my posts online. So yeah, 9 years since 2013 and that fateful day with the freak blood clot, the 6 full-blown strokes at the O2 car park. And here we are, 9 years old in Life 2.0. So lots has happened since then, and I've completely rebuilt my life through a lot of hard work and feeling fitter and stronger than ever. So I like to share a video once a year on July 2nd to share how I am, and also I like to look back at what I look like as well, just to track my health, fitness, and how I'm coming across as well. So also to celebrate soon is 2 years ago, or nearly 2 years ago, I released the book Vipassana, A Journey Within, the diary style account of my 10-day Vipassana. And I did start recording the audio for an audiobook version, as quite a few people have asked me about that. And in the end, I thought recently I'm quite busy, I've got a lot of side projects, if you know me well, and I thought let's put a different spin or a different perspective on it. So I launched a job title on one of the platforms that I used, or a job offering, should I say, and I got a lot of applicants, all very professional, and I decided to go with a guy called Philip Rowe, who I'm sure will bring the book to life admirably. So he's a professional in recording audio books, so he's done this many times, I think, from what I can see. So looks like I've got some visitors. So I think Philip will bring it to life, and there's various characters in there if you've read the book, and he's going to put his own spin on it, and a slightly different perspective from me, which I think will give it a different style of energy. And then that should be out. I think it's finished next week, so I don't know the release schedule for Audible or Amazon, but I think it'll be out shortly. So look out for posts and an advert on the audiobook version. And thank you for listening, celebrating being 9 years old in Life 2.0. Thank you.